Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can download a view-only video from Google Drive. Let's get started. Firstly, you need to open up the video file that you have access to but can't download. Right now, the download icon is visible for me, but in case it's not visible to you, what you have to do is you then want to press F12 on the keyboard. This will open up the console. Then, if you see a network tab up here, click on it. If you don't see it, click on the little arrows here, and then you'll see an option for the Network tab. Just click on it here. Let me refresh the page now. After that, you want to play the video. Then, click on the settings and select the quality you want to download. It can be the highest quality or the lower quality options. I'll click on the higher resolution because I want to download it in a higher resolution. After that, go up to where it says Size and click on it. Then, click on it again to sort by largest first at the top and lowest at the bottom in file size. Now, you have to look for the Video Playback option. Click on it where you can find the higher file size. Then, right-click on the text and go to Copy. Then select Copy URL. Afterward, open a text editing tool like Notepad and paste the URL there. I've got Notepad, and we're going to paste this really big URL into our Notepad. You're going to want to remove some text from the URL. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to remove =1 and symbol comma srfvp equals 1. The end of the URL, starting from this, equals, meaning your URL will end with, and symbol UMP. Once you've highlighted the text, you can click on the backspace place key or the delete key to delete it. You're going to want to click on Edit and then go and click on Find. Then you want to type in range. You're only going to find one instance of the word range in here, and you want to delete it. You want to delete everything starting from the word range all the way up to and including the ampersand symbol. Once that's done, you'll have a clean URL that points directly to the video file. By using this method, you're able to access the download option for a view-only video that you might have otherwise been restricted from downloading directly. By changing the URL and using the web browser's capabilities, you're effectively unlocking the ability to download the file. Once you click Download, the video will be saved to your device, making it available for offline viewing or future use. You'll follow the same steps for downloading the audio. Once you've filtered the playback options to narrow down the search, click on it where you can find the higher file size. Then, right-click on the text and go to Copy. Then select Copy URL. After copying the URL of the audio stream, we want to go back into Notepad and delete the URL we had before, and then paste in the new one. Guess what? We're going to repeat the exact same steps again. We're going to delete the end of the URL, starting from the =1 and sfvp equals 1. After that, once you delete range, you should continue removing the extra parts of the URL, starting with any unnecessary characters and ending with the AND symbol. The final URL will allow you to access and download the video or audio. Once everything is cleaned up, go ahead and copy the new URL and paste the copied audio URL. This should open the audio in a new tab. Hit Enter to open it, and it should start playing. If the audio is playing in your browser, and you'll be able to download it by right-clicking and selecting the Download option. This will allow you to download both the video and the audio. Now that you've successfully downloaded both the video and audio separately, you can combine them using a video editor. First, open a video editing tool like CapCut, either on the website or in the software. It's a free tool available for browser and software. You can start a new project by clicking on Create New Project. Then click on the Import button to upload both your video file and the audio file that you downloaded from Google Drive. You can drag the file as well. After importing, drag the video to the timeline, and then do the same for the audio file. Align the audio with the video, making sure they sync properly. If necessary, trim the audio or video to make them match perfectly. Once you're satisfied with the synchronization, click on Export to save the combined file as a new video with both the video and audio together. Click on Export and choose the resolution and click on Export. That's how you can download a view-only video from Google Drive. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.